Here's a format that offers lots of flexibility. The sleeve mailer takes the shape of an outer protective sleeve with an open end for an insert, and the insert can be as simple as a postcard and as elaborate as a stitched booklet or multi-panel brochure. First, let's look at a great use of the sleeve mailer for an event announcement. This bold and contemporary open house self-mailer is eye-catching and fun. Pull the tab and a postcard insert slides out, clean and simple. They chose two-sided printing on the sleeve so that the designer could take advantage of the opportunity to continue the bold geometric pattern on the inside. It's a nice touch. Sleeve mailers can be a great way to deliver special offers as well. This mailer for a juice bar features a postcard insert with a coupon, and when you flip it over to the back, you'll find the menu and pricing. It's clean and simple and bright. Both of these samples featured postcard inserts, but the sleeve can accommodate an array of print formats, which makes it really versatile for your marketing tasks. One final note, if you're going to send this format as a self-mailer, it will need to be tabbed at the open edge to make it mail ready. If you like this format and want to give it a try, just visit the link at the end of this video and download the free reference template to start designing. It's easy. You can get instant pricing while you're there too. Have fun designing. I'll see you next time. Bye.